Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to export ChatGPT projects. So to start, open ChatGPT and log into your account. Next, click your profile at the bottom left corner. Then from here, what you need to do is to go to settings. Now in settings, on the left side, select data controls. Then from here, scroll down and look for export data. So once you see export data on the right side, click on export. So here are the details. So if you're okay with this, to proceed, click confirm export. So your data will be sent to your email and the download link will expire 24 hours. So here, ChatGPT sent you a notification to your devices. Open ChatGPT app on any of those devices. So open your phone and open ChatGPT and tap on yes, it's me, and it will process it. And that's basically it. So once it's done, you'll receive an email and then just click that link and install it to your device. And that's basically it. That's how you can export ChatGPT projects. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.